Integrating ValorPay with OpenCart. Meet OpenCart, a free, open-source e-commerce platform that enables the selling and purchasing of online products and offers inventory management, search engine optimization, marketplace, multi-channel marketing, and many more. Picture this: payments, seamless and secure, perfectly integrated into your OpenCart online store. All this and more is achievable with OpenCart and ValorPay. Imagine this power at your fingertips. To get started, log into the Valor portal and have your app ID, EPI, and app key nearby. Click on Virtual Terminal on the navigation menu. Click the Manage button. Click API keys located in the tab section. Generate app ID, EPI, and app key required for the integration. Click Save. Also, please note that you are required to download the plugin file from the Valor portal to proceed further. Navigate to the Resource Center in the left sidebar. Under the Plugin section, locate and click on OpenCart to initiate the download. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. Inside, you will find the necessary ValorPay extension zip file required for integration. Log into your OpenCart admin dashboard and navigate to Extensions, then Installer. Click the Upload icon at the top right corner of the page. Upload the previously downloaded plugin file here. Once the extension is successfully uploaded, locate ValorPay and click Install. Once installed, navigate to Extensions on the side navigation bar. Choose the extension type and select Payments. Under Payments, click on the Edit or pencil icon next to ValorPay to configure the payment-related settings. Change the status to enable the ValorPay payment gateway. Paste the previously generated app ID, API key, and EPI, and fill in all the required details. Click the Save button, available at the top right corner of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated ValorPay with OpenCart. Now you can easily accept payments without any hassle.